Today is the fifth lesson of the list training series. So this lesson will show you how to explore the network file system. So we currently have two virtual machines started. So we try to scan the target first. Okay, we find the IP. Then we do the unmapped scan. Okay, let's launch the course media. Okay, unmapped finish the scan. As we can see, we have got 2049 ports, NFS port open. So we try to identify what are the directory and what are mounting point. Okay, so we see the directory of storage, which is belong to the NFS. So we try to mount into our local directory. Okay, it's mounted. Okay, so we see there's one file in the target machine. So actually we can see it's already mounted to our local directory of a current machine. So we try to unzip this file to see what are the content of this file. We try to unzip the file, but it says you need a password. So we try a simple one. Let's say 12344, but it's not working. So it looks that this is encrypted. So we need to decrypt the file or find an alternative way to how to unzip the file. So in the next video I will show you how to unzip the file even without the password. So let's review our course material. See you next video.